Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and here I have the Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Powder. This is something that I have been using for 4 months, and I can see the difference. I'm not a gym rat, but I know when I'm feeling more powerful. Since I have been using this, um, I have noticed that I have more strength. I can lift more weight, and the muscle build is being promoted as well. My nutritionist said that it can also prevent fatigue, so that's something very good. And another thing that I would like to share is that in order for you to get only 5 grams of creatine, you need to eat more than 10 pounds of pork. And who is going to eat that? Nobody, right? And I have tested it. So what are you waiting for? This is my point of view.